Hey guys, welcome back to another Macromedia Flash 8 tutorial. In the last video I showed you how the basics and also how to motion tween, and we created a bouncing ball animation. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a slideshow that's animated. We're using the fade in and fade out effects. So we're going to go to Start, All Programs, Macromedia Flash 8. And like I said in the last one, the colour scheme has been changed. And then we're just going to click on the new Flash document. You can change the sizes by right clicking and going to Document Properties and changing it the sizes here and the background colour. So what we're going to do is going to leave all these the same, and the first thing I'm going to do is rename this layer to Images and just click OK. Now I'm going to go to the File, Import to Stage, and I have two pictures on my desktop, a YouTube logo and a Facebook logo. So I'm just going to import the YouTube one. So here I have the YouTube logo, and I'm going to make this so it fades in and out with the other picture, which is the Facebook one. So the first thing we're going to do is we've already got our frame on number 1, so I'm going to put my next frame on number 10. So I'm just going to click on number 10 and press F6. Now we have just a standstill image. We're going to go back to number 1 and we're going to right click, press convert to symbol, leave the name as it is and just change it to a graphic. Press OK, and you'll see that now it will say colour. So we're going to click on this, we're going to click on alpha, and it might be 100%, 50% and or 0%. You slide it all the way down to 0%. And now the image is disappeared. On here though, it is back up again. So on here, we're going to right click, convert to symbol, change it to a graphic, change the name to symbol 2, press OK, and the alpha needs to be 100%. So now we have all the frames up to number 9, the picture is not there, and number 10 it is. So like on the last tutorial, we're going to press right click, create motion tween, and then right click again, create motion tween. So now the image fades in. So we've got the fading in part. Now we're going to make it fade out. We're going to click here on frame 11, hit F6, change the colour of that alpha, it needs to be stay the same, then go over to frame 20 and the alpha needs to be 0%. So now it should look something like this. And if you want to extend so the picture is on screen for longer, we're going to go all the way across like this, drag it on, and it should appear for longer. There we go. So now we're going to add the second image. We're going to insert a new layer, call it image 1, and then we're just going to do the same again, but this time we're going to do it with the Facebook logo. So we're going to press F6, File, Import to Stage, the Facebook logo, go to frame 35, and then convert to symbol again. The alpha needs to be 0%, and then frame 35, convert to symbol, and it needs to be 100%. Then right click, create motion tweens, and now we should have something that looks like this. So we're going to make the fade out effect again, so F6, colour needs to be 100%, down to 45, the colour will have gone to 0%. And then we're just going to make it so it's on screen for a longer time. So now, if we just play this back, so that's basically it. So if you've done everything correctly, you should have something that looks like that. So this is really useful for slideshows. You can pretty much mess about with all the effects that are in the colour, and you can make it so you can change the tint so it might go red and like that. But it's up to you to mess about with them. Anyway, so now we've got the fade in and fade out effect, we can just go ahead and export this as a mover. So you go to File, Export, Export Mover, Slide Show, Save, JPEG quality to 100%, OK, and then it's done. Thank you for watching this Macromedia Flash tutorial. I'm going to be doing some more of these, covering more features of Macromedia Flash. Please comment, rate and subscribe. Thanks for watching.